Hey guys, Wayne Daniels, Customer Experience Manager here at Baywest Homes. Today we want to talk about the furnace and some things that you can do to keep it operating at the maximum efficiency. So first thing we're going to talk about is, what do you do if the furnace actually trips off? First thing that you want to check is the switches on the wall to ensure that something didn't bump into them or maybe they were inadvertently turned off. The next thing that you want to check is the furnace filter. So you just want to come down here, pop the cover off, slide the filter out. So we want to make sure that we can see light through the pleats. If the filter's dirty, replace it. And putting in the new filter, just check for the airflow. The air should be flowing towards the furnace itself. So some of you might be wondering why this filter is so thick. This is a MERV 11 filter and it's designed to filter out more dust and particles in the air than your average filter. A regular filter is a 1-inch thick filter and that's probably what you have. At Baywest, this is our standard filter. Insert the filter like this and make sure it's seated all the way to the back and replace the cover. So another thing to check before calling out a service technician is inside the unit. So what we want to do is pull the cover off. Just start by flipping those tabs and this will slide down. And inside you're going to see an on-off switch here. You can just check to ensure that it's on and make sure everything looks clean. So at the very bottom here, you're going to see a flashing light. It's actually a code. And if you look inside this window, the code will tell you exactly what's going on with the furnace. Write down that code if you can and have it ready for when you call your service technician. Another thing that you can do to have your furnaces operating at their maximum efficiency is to have them serviced and cleaned every few years. Give your local furnace cleaning company a call and have them do a service for you. All right guys, let's just head outside and make sure that this exhaust pipe is clear. So during the cold winter months, you'll have condensation dripping from your exhaust from your furnace, and that will actually freeze and build up. And it'll build up so high that it may plug this exhaust port here. So what you want to do is actually kick that ice away and keep this clear so it doesn't plug up your furnace and shut it off. Boom, you're all done. So for more informational videos like this, visit our website.